Vanilla creme brulee. This is a classic dessert, and while there are many different recipes in circulation, mine is a guaranteed success. Easy to make, but delicious. The first thing to do is the pasteurization of the egg yolks that we've whipped with the sugar. I now bring the milk to a boil, pour the egg yolks in, which is a necessary step and is also important to safeguard our health. The second thing, I use a vanilla bean and not vanilla extract, which are two completely different ingredients. Once I've prepared this mixture, I pour it into a ceramic bowl and cook it in an oven-type bain-marie. Temperatures vary depending on what type of oven one has, but I know the creme brulee is ready when it reaches a pudding consistency. I can serve it at room temperature but also lukewarm, as long as the brown sugar is burnt. We want to create a contrast between the sweet and bitter that is interesting to our palate, but also so that all the different ingredients go well together. So let's get started. We extract the small seeds from the vanilla bean with the tip of a knife. We pour the boiling whipped cream on the yolks in order to pasteurize them. We fill the pan with water until it almost reaches the brim.